Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the flintronic hair dryer with 2000 watt power. This is a professional shine dryer with negative ion. Eliminate static electricity. 3 speeds, low noise, lightweight, Ionic hairdryer, or it's a travel or saloon or for your home, as you like. And you will get 3 nozzles and 3 combinations included. That's really awesome. Negative ion technology and the constant temperature in one device. The hairdryer adopted the negative ion technology, ensuring a healthier hair care and drying experience. Negative ions can help reduce the protein damage to maintain the natural moisture in the hair and eliminate the bifurcation. With its constant temperature function, our hair would never be damaged by overheating. It might take longer compared with traditional hair dryers to blow our hair due to the special technology for protecting our hair. 2000 watt high power. This is the maximum power. It comes with an AC motor is equipped, which is above the average market level of the same kind of this hair dryer, with Ionic technology, of course, airflow collection technology, and U-shaped heating wires allows it to increase the wind speed and distribute the heat evenly. We can create charming hairstyle in a healthier and faster way with its high power engine. 3 types of removable air nozzles are included. We have 3 types, and the first is the smooth nozzle, styling nozzle, and diffuser nozzle. The smooth nozzle can focus the winds to straighten and smooth our hair. We have a styling nozzle. This can also direct airflow, but have a wider mouth for us to easily create different finishes. And a diffuser nozzle. It's suitable for wavy hair, making the curls more obvious and give us the private hairdressing experience at home. And we have 3 hot and cold modes. Temperature control with variable speed, protection against constant temperature, and balanced heat for optimal control and versatility of our hair. Suitable for different hairstyles and drying times as well as for heating and cooling for different hair types. Oh, you will use the cooling function in summertime, and this is so refreshing. And we have an overheating protection. To effectively prevent heat damage, the AC motor, long lifespan, low consumption, low failure rate, hairdryer, small and convenient to carry. The size is about the same as an big T on the table, as you can see. And we have a cable length for the power supply of 2.5 meters. We can use it freely in almost every position of our room. It is recommended to use it less than 30 minutes once because of the engine, because of the motor, built-in motor. But this is a standard thing. This is the flintronic 2000 watt professional Ionic saloon hair dryer with 2000 watt high power, no extreme heat, engineered for different hair types, lightweight and portable, low noise design, intelligent heat control. The hair dryer will give us a better solution for our hair at home, travel or business. Negative ions and constant temperature functions. Ooh, this double protection for our hair, isn't it? Negative ions technology generates negative ions which smooth hair and lock in moisture, making the heat much gentler on the hair during styling for a shinier, less fizzy finish. It's also enabled the hair to endure much higher level of heat without creating damage. Emits massive negative ions to eliminate stress, keep the hair humidity resistant, natural health of hair. It provides even heat dissipations which penetrate hair quickly and evenly from the inside out, drying our hair in a fraction of time. Conditioning boosts shiny to create the skinny smooth results. We have 3 heat settings. We have variability, speed, protection against constant temperature, and balance the heat for optimal control and versatility of our hair. Suited for different hairstyles and dry times, as well as heating and cooling. Oh yeah, for different types. That's the nice cleaning and drying device. Really awesome. The 360 rotary nozzles are allowed to connect with the hair dryer to remove easily and quickly. Note the 100 degree is not so stable, so we have to rotate a little bit more, and then it will get in position. We will get a 2000 watt Ionic hair dryer, a smooth nozzle, a styling nozzle, a diffuser nozzle, a double-side hair comb, a white tooth bomb, 3 amps 4 comb, and of course this is engineered for different hair types after rigorously testing different hair types in the laboratories of the brand itself. They have engineered attachment designed to style different types of hair. For example, the smoothie nozzle dries hair with smooth, controlled airflow, helping to create a smooth, natural finish. Or you will use the styling concentrator. Then you can create a high-velocity blade of hair. That's perfect for styling. Or you will use a diffuser nozzle, engineered to disperse the air more evenly around curls. Longer prongs allow us to style hair with controls and reach deeper into the hair. That is awesome. And this is the flintronic hair dryer with 2000 watt. This is a professional shine dryer with negative ions. This will eliminate the static electricity. 3 speed levels, low noise, lightweight, and Ionic hairdryer for travel, salon, or for your home by Flintronic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Jetzt geht's ab. Zack. Oh, nice.